Today we're looking at a way to multiply by 6 using the 5 times table and the 1 times table. Let's have a look at some examples. Starting with this one, 8 times 6. So what we're going to do is break up this 6 into 8 times 5 and then 8 times 1. We're still multiplying by 6, it's just that we've broken it up into 2 easier chunks. Starting with the 8 times 5. Because we're multiplying 5 by an even number, it's going to end in 0. There's something to remember. Every time you multiply 5 by an even number, it is going to end in 0. So if we have to, we can count up in 5s until we get 8 of them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Next, we need to multiply the 8 times 1. Well, 8 times 1 is 8. So we've got 40 and another 8, giving us our answer. 8 times 6 is 48. Let's look at another example. This time we'll look at, let's say, 6 times 7. We'll do the same thing again. We'll split our 6 into 5 times 7 and then 1 times 7. We're still multiplying it by 6, but once again we've broken it up into the 1 times and 5 times. Now here's another thing. This time we're multiplying 5 by an odd number, so it's going to end in 5. Whenever you multiply 5 by an odd number, it ends in 5. 5 times 7, well, I'll count up 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And 1 times 7 is 7. So we need to put those two numbers together, don't we? So 5 and 7 makes 12, carry the 1, and 3 and 1 makes 4. So 6 times 7 is 42. Let's do one more example of this strategy for multiplying 6 using the 5s and 1s. This time we'll go, let's try 12. So 6 times 12. Well, we'll break up that 6 into 5 times 12 and 1 times 12. Still multiplying 12 by 6, but we've broken it up into 2 easier chunks. Okay, 5 times 12, well, 12 is an even number, so straight away, like all other times we multiply 5 by an even number, it's going to end in 0. 5 times 12, okay, we know it ends in 0. We've got 10 times 5, which is 50, and then 2 times 5, which is 10. So all up, that's 60. 5 times 12 is 60. And then we've got 1 times 12, which is 12. We put those two things together, two answers together, and we've got our 6 times 12, which is 72.